Welcome to Genessis Models and welcome to another vlog for December. Now we're going to have our competition giveaways for December in just a second, but what I want to do is give a shout out to our live session because we've been working on the Wellington and it's every Friday at 6 o'clock. We go live and we work on the Wellington. What I want to do, I want to give some prezzies away basically. So the last Friday before Christmas, which is the 21st of December at 6 o'clock, we're going to have our special Christmas live session, and we're going to be still working on the Wellington. But what I want to do is I want to have a bunch of prizes, and there and then live in the session we're going to have some giveaways. So just be ready to type in some comments, because I'm going to be working around some way of you guys comment, and probably something like the first one to comment there and then live wins the prize or something like that. But I'm going to have a few giveaways just for Christmas, so I hope I will see you there. So this month, last month's competition, November's competition, was for the all new Hawker Sea Fury, right? And that was by Airfix 1/48 scale. I have filmed this as an inbox review, and that should be coming about pretty soon. But really, basically, after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the thread, I came to White Ladder. So congratulations to you, White Ladder. You are the winner of November's competition. So all you got to do is give me an email and I'll ship this out to you free of charge. So congratulations to you, White Ladder. We do have this month's competition, right, which this time I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to have a book. This book here is The Real Colours of World War II. It's by AK Interactive, and I do love this book because it's jam-packed full of references. It's not one of these sort of guides how to teach you how to model or anything. It's just all about colours and reference photos and sort of weathering. I mean, it shows you photos galore in here, and how all the different equipment and the sort of weathering. You can really sort of see how things, all the scratches and how they get worn and everything, which is rather cool. But it's a lot about getting colours to the exact match. So this is December 2018's competition. As always, to be in it to win it, all you got to do is simply go to Genessis Models website. We've got a forum, and on the forum all you got to do is go to competition section, December 2018's competition, and just make a comment, any comment, and you are entered. Or if you want to, all you got to do is in the YouTube comment section down below, just make a comment, and that also enters you also in for the competition. The other thing I also want to mention is we've got our group build. Our group build is coming to an end. The group build was basically dioramas. It's coming to an end now. For all you guys who are still building, you know, you've got basically a month to get this all finished now, ready to be put in the final reveal sections for me to judge, and it'll be like January we'll announce the winners of that group build. Also to mention as well, I have already put up the voting for you guys to go off and suggest what's going to be the next group build here at Genessis Models. I'll put my own little suggestion in there, but all you got to do is make a post saying I would like to, I don't know, do 1/32, or let's do Harriers, or let's do World War II, and then you put a little voting thing in there saying yes or no, and then people make a vote, and the one with the most votes will be announced as the winner to be the next group build here at Genessis Models for the first half of 2019. So hopefully you're going to get in on that. Also, just want to quickly sort of go over what's to sort of expect. Well, first off, we have our Harrier here. It is now all finished. I've got all the footage for it, so we'll be seeing the last episode to the Harrier step by step next week. So you'll see that come to an end, which means we'll be starting a brand new build as well, probably the week or two after that, we do have our FA18. This is now going into the spraying stage, so that should be quite interesting, because I do want to sort of weather this up quite nicely for aircraft based kind of weathering. Also the Wellington just over here, the Wellington, if you didn't see it in the live session, we have gone off and done all our black spraying on here, which was it's one of these subjects where spraying black is different to spraying a lot of other colors, right? Because you can't exactly add black to sort of darken areas up, and it, you know, black just kind of weathers a little bit different to say your standard grays and stuff, so it's a different way of doing it, and we went through it on the live session, and now this is basically all ready for some deckling for this Friday's live session, as usual at 6 o'clock. So we'll be touching base with some deckling. So that is pretty much everything. I hope to see you for our Christmas special live session on the 21st. Hopefully you're going to get in on the competitions, get voting on what's going to be the next group build, get your group builds for the diorama finished, and January will be like starting new group builds and announcing the winners to the diorama group build and everything. So yeah, hopefully you're gonna have a great Christmas this year. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed. So until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.